Let's talk about the Whole30. Everyone is trending the Whole30, right? Okay. The Whole30 program really isn't a diet. It's a program to help you reset, to help your body recover. And the major principle behind it is you want to prevent inflammation in your body.
Yes.
So there's a group of scientists that believe that some of the foods we eat create inflammation, and this inflammation gives us all kinds of digestive problems.
And pressure on your organs,
and
too.
And pressure on our organs, absolutely. So here's the key. I'm going to show you the cheat sheet of things you can eat on the Whole30. You can have meat, fish, eggs, some fruit, and of course your healthy fats, and some vegetables. You want to avoid processed foods. As I talked to you earlier, we in America eat too many processed foods that has a lot of junk in it.
But this diet also, they're taking away grains and
sugars, legumes. I'm a little suspect on the other nutritionists about why you're taking away legumes. Legumes are a great source of non-animal protein.
Right.
So that is a little question mark. And of course, if you like to drink, guess what? You won't be having it for 30 days. and dairy also, by the way, some people, dairy is inflammatory. Dairy is a great source of vitamin D and calcium. That also is on my suspect list. But this is what you need to eat and what you need to avoid.
But you do that for 30 days.
For 30 days, because the idea is you are hitting the reset button. It's not a diet. It's a program, okay? So it's about not eating processed food. So you can see here, there's an ingredient called carrageenan. And carrageenan is a non-digestible seaweed extract.
And is carrageenan, is that a good thing or you should
it's a bad thing.
It's a bad thing.
You want to avoid it. You want to avoid processing on the Whole30, no doubt about it, okay?
Gotcha.